Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull Up King. Today we got a 2015 Chevy Malibu. I believe this is an LT. I'm gonna be doing a starter on it. The starter is located up underneath the vehicle, so I got it jacked up both sides. We're gonna get up under here, show what we got. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, you want to make sure your battery, your positive battery terminal is disconnected. Get up under here. That's the starter. It's a 13 mil, broke that loose. And it's connected here. Power. The connector above it. To get that top bolt out, got the bottom one out. And we get that top one. We got a extension on it, and I got that deep socket 13 on it. Just like that. It's already loose. So we got it loose. And that's gonna be, man, I'm gonna have a blast getting that back in there. That top bolt, I can already tell. So I'm gonna have to hit that bottom bolt in reverse order. Hit that one first, put that one in. And then, cause you really gotta guide it in without even looking. So you feeling it with your fingers, and then you gotta put the bolt in the hole. So we're gonna get it though. Now that clip, that's what the clip look like. I'm gonna have to pry back on that red tag and push this pin in. That tag, man, that black tag. And the red tab is pushed back. That's the lock pin. So now we can push this tag in and pull it out. So that would have been hard doing it up in the position that it was. So I can go ahead and take it out now. We should be able to come out this way. So we looking like without the starter. See the two bolt holes. All right. Yeah, that's it. All right, we're going back in reverse order. Let's get it. See, I'm going back in the same way I came out. Alright, this is me putting it in position. Now I'm going to start with that bottom bolt and tighten it down finger tighten, not all the way, because if you tighten it up, you won't be able to line the top bolt up with the threads. All right, so make sure you have some play with the starter. Now we got some play. Bottom bolt in. Now we're gonna guide that top bolt. I'm gonna show you a trick. Take me a piece of little receipt paper, just found on the ground. I'm gonna put that on that head like that, and then put the socket on it, and do it like that. That way you won't lose it. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Yep, I knew that was gonna be a bitch. Trying to get that top bolt in there without being able to see. Ooh, got my neck hurt. Tighten everything up.